Now let's see. Let's find out the poetic devices used here in these lines. As I told you in the beginning that these words have been repeated in the beginning. Now if you see, a collection of words have been repeated. They do not here in this line, then they do not again, then they do not again. So what is it, children? Which poetic device is it? This is anaphora. They do not, they do not, they do not, anaphora. Repetition of a certain word, like here word and here phrase, group of words, same group of words at the beginning of successive lines, here also, here also, here also. In the same manner, not one, not one, these two words have been repeated in these three lines. Later we'll see, we have not read this line, but this is also anaphora. Okay, not one, not one, not one repeated. So again, which figure of speech has been used here in these three lines? Anaphora. Here also anaphora. Then if you see, sweat and wine is actually equals to complaints. I am writing it like this so that you understand. That means this is metaphor, right? You know what metaphor is. You know the difference between metaphor and simile. I have told you many times earlier also. So sweat and wine is actually complaints. So here a metaphorical phrase has been used. So this is metaphor. All right. Now we had read till here. Now we'll read from here. Not one kneels to another, nor to his kind that lived thousands of years ago. In this world, we have seen that we humans kneel down in front of another human being or a person who had lived thousands of years ago, calling him God or similar to God, or in any form, right? So animals, they do not do that. They don't idolize anyone. They don't kneel down to another animal like the humans do. They do not worship other animals like humans do. Humans worship or look up to another human being who is either living or had lived thousands of years ago.